Hello and welcome to Paul Presents. For this video, I'm going to show you my personal copy of Elite for the Sinclair Spectrum 48K. Comes in this presentation box. Show you the back here. Dated 1985 here. Let's have a look inside. Now the first thing we see is a book called The Dark Wheel by Robert Holdstock. Read the novel, play the game. A boy with stars in his eyes, shooting the rapids of heaven. This is dated Acorn Soft 1984, BT 1985. Firebird is a trademark of British Telecommunications plc. And this, of course, as you might expect, is a sci-fi novel. Looks like Robert Holdstock had a good number of titles to his name at the time. So there we are, you get a free novel with this game. And then we have the manual, Space Trader's Flight Training Manual. Dated 1984-1985. Everything you need to know to fly your spacecraft. You were given basic weapons to get started. And the graphics look incredibly basic today. But when you were actually playing the game, you filled in all these gaps with your imagination. I have memories of playing this long into the night at the time. You would do trading at different places. You would dock to space stations. You'd have space battles. You'd learn how to fight and how to run sometimes, going into hyperspace to escape your enemies. Sometimes that wasn't possible. Sometimes you're too heavily damaged to escape. People would fire these missiles at you. But if you're fast enough, nimble enough, you could try to escape. You would build up an inventory in your hold, and you would compare prices with other space stations you would dock at and make profit. You could also be a mercenary if you wanted. That would attract the attention of the Space Police, and you tended to come to a sticky end if you caused too much trouble. We even have a guide here to the different spacecraft you would see in the game. It achieved legendary status to computer gamers. You have a pilot's log at the back here. This is one of those must-have games at the time. Next thing we have in here, I can carefully remove it. Now this is lens lock instructions. I'll show you what that is in a moment. Let me set that aside for the moment and I'll come back to this. Next thing we have here is the quick key control guide. And where the keys are on the Spectrum. And then we have the keyboard overlay with all the keys you needed to press in a hurry. So let's go back to the lens lock. This was a security device designed to make sure you had a genuine copy and not a copied cassette of the game. You would fold this and place it, I'll show you the image on the screen, against your computer screen, and you would get a code appear in the little window there. It's been a long time since I've used this since, but that was the basic principle. And then of course we have the actual cassette. I haven't played Elite for a long time, but I have good memories of this game. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I have more computer games to show you in the future. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you liked this video. And I'll see you on the next. Bye bye.